And welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll just be creating a look, and I decided to play with the color green, and so let's get into the video.
Fly away with me, come and fly away with me, come and fly away with me, come and fly away with me.
So number one will be my eyes. My brows are already done. I do have a video on how I do my brows, which takes a long time. Yeah, but I have the video. I will link it up here. And now I'm gonna go on and work on my eyes. The first thing that I do is to prep my eyelids, and today I will be using the POC blank canvas. That is how it looks like. One thing I like about the blank canvas is that it dries pretty quick, so you don't have to wait and be wasting time before applying your eyeshadow. The minute you're done placing it, you can go ahead and apply your eyeshadow, which I like. I did mention that today I want to play around with some greens and a yellow. So yes, that's what the look we're going for today. So now I'm gonna start off with my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and in this palette I will be going with this shade called Top Secret. I'm gonna go with this one right in my crease. And then next, I'm gonna use my Juvia's, my Zulu by Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna go with this vibrant yellow. Now at this point, I am gonna introduce another color, a deeper color, which is gonna be another Jaclyn and Morphe palette. So this one I'm going to be using the Inside Job. It went a little dark. It's a little green, but it's very deep. It's the Inside Job. Now once I'm done with all my crease color, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And for cutting my crease, I'm going to use the same blank canvas by POC. Okay, once done with cutting my crease, which took a long time, I'm gonna go in with and this one is from a company called MYO. It's a company that I found on Instagram, and they're on Instagram. From my Juvia's place, and it's gonna be Buzo. This one, Buzo. So I'm gonna go back into Inside Job, the deepest green that I had. I'm gonna put that here. Now I have my eyes just the way I wanted them, and I'm loving it. Really loving it. And now I'll be getting into my skin. The primer. I am forever in love with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Love it. I just like how tacky it gets, and it honestly keeps the foundation in place. and seals those pores. The foundation comes in next, and it is gonna be my Huda Beauty in Coffee Bean. Coffee Bean is the shade, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation brush, honestly and truly, my Juvia's Place foundation brush. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. What I like about it is that it makes my foundation flawless from the beginning, because what I used to do before was apply my foundation with a brush, with a flat top brush, and then after that I would go in with a damp beauty blender and go all over my face. Since I started using this brush, I don't need to do that. It blends everything flawless, and I love that. I prefer my foundation to be a little darker than my natural skin tone. Now this would be my favorite concealer. Favorite. I love it. And the shade that I get it in is Chestnut. Then the next thing that I would want to do is to go in with my contour shade, which is my Fenty Beauty contour stick in Espresso. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend them out. For that I use a damp beauty blend. Okay, and then I pinch my sponge and go over the bridge of my nose, because I like my eye or my under eye to be really, you know, brighter than the rest of the face. I am gonna go in with my CoverGirl True Blend concealer. There we go, Warm Honey. And with this I'm just gonna do like that. My setting powder, which is going to be my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I will be going in with my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance, and I only use the shade Contour. I'm gonna go ahead and dust off all the excess powder. Then I'm gonna go in with my Hey Jealousy blush from Sephora. And I did mention before, if it is a little bit too much, you just go over it with the beauty blender that I've been using. And then to highlight, I'm gonna go in with Conceited by Artist Couture. So Black Pencil by Wet n Wild. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the final look. For my lips, I just used a black pencil. That is what I used. I am actually waiting for my black matte liquid lipstick from Juvia's Place that I ordered. Hopefully it will be here sometime during the week. Yeah, but for now, this is what I came up with, using some of my favorites, like especially the eyeshadow. It's the colors that I just wanted to use. It's not really like my favorite eyeshadow color, but when it comes to the concealer, the foundation, the highlight, the contour stick I used, the powder, the contour powder that I used and the setting powder that I used, those are the ones that I really like, and those are the ones that I know that when I use it, you know, I know what to expect, you know. As I was busy doing it, I realized how much I actually like green, but I kind of like really like how this came out. Hopefully if you do a look like this, you will tag me on Instagram. I go by Neobabez, and I would like to see your green eyeshadow looks. I like topping out my eyeshadows with a color, like the clothing that I wear would go with something. It might not always be, but I always try. If I have it, I join them together. I always love the flow of the skin being flawless, you know, the eyes looking beautiful, and then the clothes matching with it. It always works out. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Remember to subscribe, to comment, to like, and to share. See you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.